Hi, today I want to talk about one of my favorite artist sketchbooks, and I'm going to do a quick flip through the book and share it with you. It is The Diary of Frida Kahlo with a foreword by Carlos Fuentes. Now, this sketchbook is written in Spanish, but the back of the book contains full translations. And so you can go page by page in the back and read everything she had to say. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through the portion of the book where she wrote and shared her beautiful pictures. And most of them are done in inks and watercolor. They're just absolutely gorgeous. So I'd love to share it with you. This is, I feel like, a must-have if you're into artist sketchbooks. I just love her work, and I was lucky enough to see her last exhibition that went nationwide. I saw it at the Brooklyn Museum. It was absolutely gorgeous with all her beautiful clothing and accessories and paintings. It was so beautiful. So I'd love to share this with you. So meet me inside, and we're gonna do a flip through these gorgeous, her gorgeous, beautiful handwriting and images. And so in the back of the book, everything's been detailed. Each page has detailed notations for the pictures as well as the writing. All the poetry has been translated. So even when there's a drawing with writing, that's all been notated and translated. So you won't be in the dark about any of the writing in the book. It's all been gone over, so it's very detailed. They've done a wonderful job with this book. I just really feel like it's a must-have if you really love artist sketchbooks. It's just beautifully done. Thanks for joining me with this. I hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again for joining me. And this book is still in print. It was published in 1995, but it's still widely available, and you can buy it at any bookseller. But I have an Amazon link in the description below if you'd like to pick up a copy for yourself. I think it's a great addition to your art library. So if you enjoyed our video today, please consider subscribing to my channel because it really helps my channel grow, and I really do appreciate it so much. See you again soon.